Hi guys, now we are going to solve this. 9 minus 3 is 6. Your 5 plus 30 divided by this 5 times 6. This is 35 divided by 5 times this 6. Here this is 7 times this 6. Here we'll get 42. This is wrong. As per the order of operations pandas, this is absolutely wrong. We are going to do this order of operations pandas. Here this is bracket, this is exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. This addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. As for the pandas, this is a bracket is higher priority. We have to solve this first. Now 5 plus 30 divided by 5 times this is 6. Now we have addition, division and multiplications. Here this is most priority than this addition. So we have to do this. From this which is first, left right rule we have to follow here. So we have to complete this. So 5 plus, here we'll get 6 times this 6. Here multiplication and addition. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to complete this. We'll get 36 plus this 5. Now this is 41 is the correct answer.